So what we have here is the DJI Mic kit. This is the original Mic kit, not the Mic 2. The Mic 2 makes this kit obsolete and no good anymore, but we're still going to try and use it and hopefully make some good content with it. When this was first released and you saw some of the content creators showing it for the first time, a lot of them had a really nice case or a zipped bag that could hold all the extra stuff. Now what us normal folks get, we got a kind of like this pouch, this drawstring pouch, and we could throw all of our stuff in here just like this, and the DJI case fits in here and it all seals up real nice. But I kind of feel like this little pouch was kind of cheap. I mean, the system cost over $300, so you would think that at the very least we could have gotten the same kit that the earlier influencers got, but instead we got this thing, and I wasn't really happy with it, and I hardly ever used it. So I kind of would toss it off to the side, and had to keep track of this stuff on its own. But I got to the point where I really wanted to find some kind of case that I could hold all this stuff in and have it do a decent job. So I went on to Amazon and found this case by a brand called RL-SOCO, RLSOCO. It's one of those generic brands that you see on Amazon all the time that makes this kind of thing. And this seemed pretty intriguing because size-wise, it's not too much bigger than the mic case itself. And it's hard case and everything seems to fit in here. So I thought it was pretty cool, not to mention the fact that it was only like $14 or $15. So basically you have two compartments. We got one for the mic case itself, and then this bottom portion for all the doodads that came with it. So here's the charging cable and the camera cord and the extra mic covers. These all kind of fit in this lower section. And then the mic case itself fits in real snug here. You can kind of hear it when you push it in. Real nice. Now what's also cool about this is when you open the case up, this is already up and ready to be opened as well. Oh yeah, I'm wearing this one. Okay. Now the zipper is really strong. And again, the case is solid and doesn't take up much space. It comes with this wrist strap and it's attached with this little carabiner kind of thing. I'll probably not use this, but it's available if you want it. So really, I found this, I liked it, I thought I'd share, and that's about it. It's a pretty short video right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.